So I don't know if you can see this or not. I got the Maxxis Assegai 29-inch to go on the Trek, and that's gonna be replacing the Bontrager Comp, which is still a pretty good tire, 2.4. This is a really good tire. It has good knobs on it, but this Assegai right here, Maxxis, has been getting a lot of buzz online, and I wanted to try this tire on the front and back. It's normally used as a front tire. Has a really unique tread pattern, a lot of traction. I hear people get from this that you can run it at lower tire pressures. And out of the compounds, it's just a regular EXO tire. And we're gonna get this fitted. And since we got the Trek in, we made a few minor upgrades to the handlebars and grips, stem, fork. This RockShox Sid fork is another fork that's been getting a little buzz online. It's one of the lighter forks on the market, and I've been looking at reviews on it, so I want to see what it does for this application. This bike weighs around 47 pounds now, and everything's been working good so far. So we'll get back with you on that once we get these tires mounted, and tell you how it improves the ride quality on it.